Hi guys, it's Doug with Ultimate Lighting Solutions. Going to give you a quick walk around of the latest vehicle we finished. This is a 2019 Tahoe PPV 4x4. This build features all Feniex Industries products. All the lights are blue-white with a few exceptions of a couple of red-white modules. The siren controller is a Feniex 4200 DL, and the siren amplifier is the Feniex Storm 200. And we're using the 100 watt amplifier on this side, 200 watt amplifier on that side with the hammer. We're using the 800 in the back with the directional, and then we've got scene lighting all the way around. The Code 1 does cruise mode for the interior light bar on the windshield and the rockers. Air horn auxiliary is adding the red to the front and rear. The slide switch is the rear only in position 1. Front and rear on position 2 with blue only to the front, and in position 3 adds the blue and white modules to the front with the headlight flasher. Manual siren, and then the air horn. And the air horn in this position with 200 watts adds the front flood module as well. So it gives a little bit of extra attention getting with that. The pursuit button operates all siren tones and all light modules. So let's take a quick walk around real quick. Again, this is a 2019 Tahoe PPV. In the front windshield, we've got a Feniex interior light bar. It's blue-white, dual color. Down in the fog lights, we've got the Fusion surface mount, 40-degree optics, blue-white, and then we've got the Feniex mirror caps in blue-white as well. It's a GoRhino push bumper with the Feniex AI 20-inch off-road light bar. I'll show you that in just another segment. Factory headlight flashers, dual color Feniex rocker featuring blue-white modules. It's also set up to go flood with all white, independently left and right, as well as the cruise, which would be a solid blue. In the rear quarter window, we've got the Feniex 200 light stick series, blue-white, again with the flood override doing white, independent left and right. In the rear of the truck, factory taillight flasher, recessed fusions in the bumper, utilizing the Feniex recess mount, and in the Feniex 800 light stick on the upper window. There are 2 Fusion surface mounts mounted on the license plate, and there's also 2 in the grille, which you may have spotted. Those are set up to run red if the deputy wanted to add a little bit of color upon his request. The auxiliary adds red, white to the front and red to the rear only. And then the Code 1 gives us a steady burn on a couple of the light modules. So we'll take a walk around. Get on the rockers. Those are the Feniex rocker panels. They're set up for steady burn blue on both sides. The interior light bar is set up for steady burn blue. And then you can see in the grille we've added the red, white modules, Fusion surface mount, and those are mounted behind the grille utilizing the factory screw holes. As we come around the back of the vehicle, you can see the red alternating Fusion surface mounts, 40 degrees, utilizing the license plate bracket. This is the scene light function. Does independent left, right, front, and rear. The takedown does all of the front forward-facing lights, including the mirror caps, the fogs, the interior light bar, and the grille. Independent left and right does the 200, the rocker, and the mirror caps. Having these white lights to the rear is a great option when the deputies in the woods doing their business or down a dark driveway and they need to back out, hitting that rear light function will really give some good backup lighting. This is the AI controller. It's got a rotary knob for intensity on mode 2. In mode 1 you can actually change it from a flood to a spot, and it is also GPS enabled. So turn it on. The red indicates that it's in the flood mode, and as we turn you can see that the light, the halo dims, telling me that we were going into a fog pattern. Hit this mode selection again, it goes blue, and we can rotate the knob indicating dim until it's completely off. So again, this one's changing intensity, and then the third mode, it will go into a green halo that tells us that it's GPS enabled, and using a USB connector on the side we can upload our routes, and the light will dim accordingly. So let's take a look at that. Let's turn this all the way up. This 20-inch light bar puts out a significant amount of light, and it's just what the deputy wanted, driving down the dark country roads, into the wooded areas and within his district. This is a perfect option for this particular application. Mounts very nicely onto the center bar of this GoRhino push bumper. One of the neat features of the AI series is that through a series of long holds and presses, you can actually cause the bar up front to start flashing, and it will flash at different rates. This is the fastest. I know it looks like a flicker on the camera, but it's quite a flash. It's a really good flicker. That's as fast as it goes, and then it will actually slow down to a very slow pulse. But again, a great piece of warning and a great tool for those dark nights in the rural areas. This is Doug with Ultimate Lighting Solutions. If you'd like any information about this vehicle specifically, if you'd like about upfitting a vehicle for a POV or your own agency, give me a call, send me a message through Facebook, or you can also send an email at ulsolutions@hotmail.com. Check out our website, www.ultimatelightingsolutions.net. Thank you and have a good day.